Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and I'm talking about Facebook business page content. It's the question answered best by I was wondering what was going to happen to businesses when their Google My Business page went away. And so I looked into Facebook business pages, and they're kind of a different apple in the same fruit stand. The Google My Business pages is more related to being found in maps and in search for Google. Okay. The Facebook business page is more about building community. So providing information like I'm doing in this podcast, also sharing it on the Facebook business page, that's a win. Okay. If you need to build community, share information with your followers, and hopefully they become an evangelist for your brand, then Facebook business page is what I would consider using. Seems to be the pick of the litter. Oh, and go to theguyrcookreport.podbean.com and look for this episode to find the Google document that's got all the links in the bulleted list of features. Oh, and hey, contact me. Use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up, and then click on the bell and subscribe to future episodes. I've got them so you can get them. It's a wrap.